Creating bootable drive is never a challenging task, thanks to Ventoy, a new bootable USB solution. It is an open-source tool to create bootable USB drive for ISO. You don't need to format the disk over and over, you just need to copy the ISO files and boot them directly. To start, just visit ventoy.net and proceed to Downloads tab and select Windows if you will install Windows OS or Linux distro. Scroll down to Assets and choose Windows in zip format to start your download. Once done, locate the file destination and extract the file. I will transfer the location to my desktop. Inside the folder, open the Ventoy 2 disk and make sure the flash drive is already mounted to the computer. Just run the application. Click Yes, under Device. It shows here my SanDisk Cruiser Edge flash drive. Click Install. Type Yes in the text box. Click OK, and Yes twice. Now, our flash drive is ready. All we need is to copy and paste the Windows ISO here and we're good to go. If you want to update, just click Update. Don't worry, this will not delete the existing ISO files and will remain unchanged. The Windows ISO files are located at the desktop. Just copy all files to the flash drive. The total files are 25.6 GB from Windows 7 to Windows Server 2022. It will take some time to copy. Once done, click Eject to remove the device. I will try to install Windows 10 OS in this laptop. During boot, just press F8 and choose your SanDisk flash drive as boot device. I will partition this drive into two. The other partition is exactly 200 GB and format it to make sure that there is no leftover files from previous user. We're done with the Windows 10 OS installation. Thanks to Ventoy USB solution.